Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Visheti. It's a common snack in East Africa, so stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. In a medium bowl, add all the dry ingredients. First, start with 2 cups of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, just use normal wheat flour plus 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a tablespoon of cardamom, and a pinch of salt, and mix everything well, followed by 1 tablespoon of butter and mix well. Then lastly, add 3/4 cup of warm milk. It shouldn't be too hot. Then pour a bit by a bit while mixing till you have a soft dough. Make sure the dough is not too hard or too soft. It has to be in between. Then afterwards, you're going to shape your Vishetis as you can see in the video. After shaping the Vishetis, then you're going to fry the Vishetis in the oil. Make sure the oil is not too hot because the Vishetis won't bake inside. Fry them on a medium heat. Dip the Vishetis in the oil and shuffle them around so they can bake everywhere to have a nice golden color. And when the Vishetis are ready, remove them and place them aside so you can make some syrup to coat them. On a small pot, add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water and let it cook till the sugar starts to stick. Your syrup has to be like this and your syrup is ready. Then you will take a big pot, add the Visheti in and the syrup while the pot is on fire and mix them as you can see in the video till the sugar dries up with the Vishetis. And your Vishetis are ready, put them in a plate and eat along with a cup of coffee or tea and enjoy your Vishetis. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of snacks, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.